Trumpton song. Same old boring Sunday morning, old man's out, watching the gone. Mums in the kitchen, cooking to the dinner, her best meal, moaning what it lost. Johnny's upstairs in his bedroom, sitting in a lock, annoying the neighbours with his punk on the guitar. This the sound. Sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs. Every lousy Monday morning, these projects go crashing over our homes. 10 o'clock, floorboard siren, follow me, man, won't leave me alone. Johnny upstairs in the window, looking at the night. I say, hey, what you listening to? There's nothing there.
That's right.
This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs. Youth club flip used to want to be free. Now they want anarchy. Play too fast, play out tune, and practice in the singing bedroom. Mama's quite good, the bass too loud, and I don't hear the words. This the sound.
This is the sound
of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound. 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 Wow, 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 wow. This is the sound of the suburbs. Driving you home. This is the sound of the suburbs. Yeah, 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 yeah. This is the sound of the suburbs. You're the one of the way. This is the sound of the suburbs. Thanks. Ah, good little tune there.